Greetings from the video. I am in London. I am going to the Cycling Weekly Awards tonight. But I've got some other bits and bobs that I'm going to be doing in the day in London, so I thought I would just take you around. First stop is going to be going to see Fusion. So Fusion are like a PR company that I work with sometimes. So yeah, I'm going to go and see them now, drop in, say hello, and then, well, I'll let the day unfold as it unfolds. So I'm just waiting now to go up and see them. And one of the people that I'm going to be meeting today is already here, so you're going to see him. You've seen him in other videos anyway, but we've got a very exciting video that we're going to be doing together, which will be a separate video to this one, but it's going to be good. Oh, let me look. I want to look at that again in a bit, but oh my god, I love that colour.
It's nice, isn't it? Yeah. It's so funny how many other people have got the same colour now. I asked Ribble, I said, oh, that looks familiar, the colour. And they're like, yeah, it's because of the all white.
People,
yeah.
Hello!
Step out.
Oh, hi there.
How are you?
Just doing content, isn't it?
So, but peeing clear is the test.
I'll go and do it now. Is there a where's the toilet?
The news.
Right, see you tonight.
Yeah, see
For the awards!
It's going to be amazing.
Right, so you're going to go and post them? Yeah, we will. Right, I've got to go that way, I reckon. So, this is where I'm going to be staying for the night. Got a couple of hours, well, maybe an hour or so before I need to head back out to the awards. So, I'm just going to have a shower and have a little lie down and, oh god, yeah, I think I feel like I need to do something with my hair to get fancied up for the awards, so I guess I will see you shortly. Yeah, the video that I did with Ash will be up very soon, but it is really interesting, and that is basically a little clue as to what we were talking about. So yeah, I will see you in a little bit. Look what I found on the streets of London.
Hey, that comes, especially in this coat, that comes across the road.
Yeah.
We were going to walk, but
I would have walked in that. I don't mind that.
you're from the north, though.
How are you feeling about the awards?
I mean, I'm not up for any.
What would the award be that you would win? Another Brompton award.
Most fabulous.
I'd shaved my legs this morning. I've missed a bit. My knees are a bit hairy, so look, can you see? Right, so I'm at the awards now. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film because it is pretty hectic and pretty noisy, so maybe that is it for the night. Maybe it's not. I'll get some clips. It is very fancy. I've already seen so many people that I already know, which is really nice, and everyone is so glam.
We feel very honoured to be part of this community. Thank you.
Or I know you like your running because you have the running channel on YouTube. Let's give it a shout out. The 40945. Which is it going to be? Cycling or running, Adam? Cycling or running?
Running takes rest.
What is wrong with you? This is the Cycling Weekly Awards.
First win since Mallory Park.
And you signed for Canyon SRAM. I know you've just signed for them again. What are the ambitions for 2020?
I'm a sprinter and I missed the podium several times this season, so I try to win a podium or like win a race next year.
Well done. I've never met you before and you've got a trophy in your pocket.
I get it melting away. I'm Kenny Smith.
Sarah. Well, it's lovely to meet you and share taxes.
Yeah, definitely.
So what was it like to win? You won the first award.
The first award of the night, and yeah, it was just unbelievable. And you know, all the top riders that were there were like clapping for me. It's just like, yeah. I rode for 50 days around the UK for the Multiple Sclerosis Trust in memory of my sister Kathleen. I started on June the 12th at Chichester and rode 2,655 miles around the UK and finished back in Chichester on what would have been my sister's 50th birthday.
Wow.
And yeah, the best thing I've ever done. you know, it does take it out of you.
Once is enough.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, well done.
We can go on to something else now. The Arctic Circle 2021. Follow me if you like.
It is early, and I've decided to do a very London cyclist thing. If you follow people that live in London on Instagram or YouTube, everyone freaking does Regent's Park laps. So I was like, I'm here, I might as well get up early and do a few laps. So I'm just meeting Jess from Rapha, who you saw in my Worlds video. So I'm just gonna go and meet her now and then do some laps like all the Londoners do. So let's see what a northerner thinks of Regent's Park laps. I'm very excited. I'm like, oh my god, it's so London. So anyway, all Londoners are just like, oh my god, you're so lame. I don't care. See you in a bit. My guide for the day.
Yeah, exactly. A native guide.
Yes.
Yes, I'm an actual Londoner. I was born in London.
Were you?
Rare.
So you are the perfect person to.
Yeah.
So what
exactly.
are the options?
Either you can go anti-clockwise or
clockwise.
clockwise.
Oh, why the decisions?
Yeah.
What change for us?
It's not that A acknowledges each other usually though, because
You can see there's a little giraffe just there. Oh, that makes me feel a little bit sad.
yeah.
Oh my god, they're so lovely. I've never seen a giraffe before in my life.
Have you?
Never. It is so cold. We've just come into Rapha, where Jess works, obviously. And I was just like, we're just putting the bikes up, but it's getting a bit steaming. And I was like, who rides this bike to work? And then you're like, oh, it's Chris Froome's bike. He just gave it us.
It's just you know, he just left it behind one day, and we kept it.
You were like, yeah, we'll take it. God, I love this. This is how all offices should be.
Yeah.
How much bike stories there is.
So everyone has their own hook. Everyone gets a number when they join Rapha.
Oh yeah.
And you get
Is your number on it?
Yeah.
Not yours is.
As in, yeah. So I was the 186th person to ever work at Rapha. Yeah.
Oh. OG.
I'm pretty OG actually.
You are the OG.
I'm really OG. Review. It's so that Rapha can understand women, female cyclists better. The reason that they've started cycling, challenges that they've faced, and then that'll help us kind of inform what we do in the future, specifically for women, because we want to do a lot better. So, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
So back home now, and such a nice couple of days, but I'm glad to be back in the north. Yeah, really, the awards were really good. There were so many like well-known people there. So just for an example, I was sat next to Brian Cookson, who was UCI president. So chatting to him most of the night, really, which was really nice. And yeah, just nice to see lots of people that I knew. And then, yeah, saw Jess this morning. Yeah, probably about 5 hours later after I got back. So yeah, I had a good old nap on the train. I probably look ridiculous right now, but I just wanted to film before I just go and get a shower and have a nap. Yeah, so the reason that I went and what you saw was like they're basically doing like lots of chats and stuff with female riders. So they're trying to better understand kind of the female cyclists, I guess, and what they want and stuff that they can do, like events or even like kit suggestions and things like that. So it'd be really good if you wanted to take part. I'll leave a link to that in the description. So just, it's like a quick 10-minute survey. But yeah, and I think that's one of the main reasons that I really like Rapha, is that it's not just the kit, it's the whole like brand of what they're trying to do for women. And I feel like they're maybe one of the only brands, like specifically like kit, that are doing so much for women, and the events that they put on and the encouragement that they have. And yeah, I'm not paid to say this at all by any means, but I just really like what they do. And obviously, you know that I wear their kit, so yeah, leave a link to that questionnaire. And yeah, I reckon that's it for this video.